Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a happy day today. Today I'm going to talk about different people when they do English practice. They evaluate themselves different manner. Some people they tell they have been practicing English for long time but they don't get enough fluency. They evaluate themselves this manner. And recently a person called me and he told me he has been practicing English for long time but he didn't get enough fluency still now. But when he was speaking with me, that time also he was speaking very fluently. But most of the people have misperception. They think if they do practice, they can become fluent very soon, within 6 months, within 1 year. This kind of misperception people have. That's why they think other people get enough fluency, we don't get enough fluency. This kind of misperception people have. And we need to understand one matter. Different people mindset different. Different people intelligent different manner. And different people confidence different manner. That's why we get fluency also different manner. Maybe one person will get fluency within 1 year. Other person will get fluency within 2 years. Because different people have different time duration. So, but my opinion, all the people, if they do consistent practice, they will get fluency. It's a very true thing. But we have to keep consistency. And if we practice long time, we didn't get enough fluency. We have to understand what mistake we make, because some people if we select the practical methods, we know listening, speaking, reading and writing, these 4 practice methods are very important and effective methods. So if we select from these practice methods, we can understand speaking is the foremost thing. And second practice method, if you do, you need to understand from which method you get more benefit. Some people get benefit from reading, some people get benefit from watching and listening. So from which method you get more benefit, you need to understand. Then you can keep that practice method. And you should believe yourself, because belief is very important. If we all the time disappoint, I don't get enough fluency, we never get fluency. First we need believe ourselves. Only then we get confidence and we get energy to practice. Otherwise we will not get confidence and energy to do practice. So we need to understand that matter. And English language, if we compare with our Indian language with English language, English language sentence structure entirely different. That's why if we do practice, it will take a long time. And some people, they get enough fluency within few period. Behind reason, maybe they have been they have been doing speaking practice maybe few months. They have been keeping speaking practice maybe few months, but they uh, they they would they would have uh, background, English background in their previous time also. That's why they get in a fluency very soon. But maybe you didn't have English background your previous time. So my opinion, we never compare with us other people. We never compare other people with us. And you can compare your past time and your present time. You can compare with your past time and present time. That time you can understand. You are also getting fluency. You never compare with other people, because other people intelligent different, you are intelligent different. That's why. And some people compare, who is get enough fluency, people compare with that people. But some people, they didn't get your manner fluency. You are not ready to understand that matter. So consistency very important, and you should believe yourself, and you should have confidence yourself. You will get, definitely you will get fluency. So believe yourself is very important. Okay, thank you so much. You never evaluate yourself with other people. You believe yourself, you will get fluency. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.